Fieldy AI review. Let's get started. So what is Fieldy AI? It's an AI-powered wearable device paired with a mobile app. It passively records audio with activated, converts speech to text, and generates summaries and task reminders, and lets you chat with your past recorded conversations. It's aimed at users seeking memory support for meetings, ideas, or even everyday brain overload situations. So here's its strengths. It offers a hands-free capture of audio and conversations. It automatically transcribes speech and then organizes it, ideal for busy professionals, caregivers, or folks with ADHD. They also have a high transcription accuracy and multilingual capability, so it works well with over 50 to 100 languages. They also offer smart summaries and chats, so they have chat access which extracts key insights, action items, and lets you ask the app, "What did you discuss?" helping you review information later. They also have a good battery life and an HIPAA compliance. And they also have a lot of positive user testimonials on Trustpilot. However, it comes with limitations and common complaints. You might have some reliability concerns, export and integration limitations, and it can be bulky to manage daily, and it requires a higher subscription after limited free minutes. So, in conclusion, Field AI is legitimate and genuinely helpful for remembering conversations, key tasks, and reflections. However, it doesn't guarantee the perfect memory, drop connections, manual exports, and limited integrations pose real limitations.